Hi, everyone. Are you like me, and no matter how hard you try to take notes electronically, you still end up writing them down, only to transfer them into an electronic format later? I hate wasting paper, but writing it down is how I retain the information. Seriously, it does make it a little hard to search all these notebooks for what you're looking for. And I've added tabs to make it a little bit easier. But what if you have a customer or a project with multiple topics? Do you end up leaving spaces or even more paper? Or what about drawing arrows down to the update of those topics, which I sometimes started to do? Well, today we're unboxing the reMarkable 2, and we're not stopping there. Welcome to the Daily Tech Show, and I'm your host, John Myer. Before we get to our unboxing, do you ever find yourself having that after lunch 2 p.m. drag and need a little pick-me-up? Well, guess what? I think you should check out my sponsor, Diabolical Coffee, for some of their awesome flavors. I'm testing out the Colombian brand right now, and it's tasting devilishly good. All right, now back to the reMarkable 2. Why am I testing out? Well, I've got 3 reasons for you. 1, the reviews on it are awesome. Number 2, a colleague and buddy of mine actually is utilizing the reMarkable 2 and recommended it. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to give this a chance and see how well it does. And number 3, which is the most important one, is they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. So you can bet on day 29-ish, we're going to update you with what we're doing and if we're keeping the reMarkable 2. So let's stay tuned and let's get this unboxing started. All right, let's see if we can get this opened up. Yes, be careful with sharp objects, folks. You should never cut towards yourself, but hey, what can I say? All right. I love opening up new gifts. Ooh. Nothing down there. Oh, some nice plastic. All right. Just do a little slice. See if that did it. Nope. Can't get that one. I think it slides out. That's what. Oh, this one says tear here. So we're going to make a little slide. Oops. Don't mind me. All right. Perfect. You got to have that plastic on it. All right. Throw this down here and tear here. All right. Tear. I think this is the little tab that pulls it out. All right. I like that little case. So far, it looks pretty nice. Ooh. What is this? Oh, a charger port. All right, we're going to set this aside. Let's move all our notebooks off. All right. Congratulations on your new reMarkable. Welcome to the better thinking. All right. Am I missing something? All right. All right, welcome to the Better Thinking community, a growing movement of people committed to finding focus in a distracted world. And yeah, I'll read that. And okay, quick start guide. Turn on the device, marker attaches electronically, and charge your tablet with the USB. Navigate using hand gestures, press long. Okay, say your traditional tablet type, connect to the cloud, get access to notes and documents on your phone and laptop, sync across, access all your files, convert handwritten, manage notes, files, share your work by email, features all the way. All right, I gotta open this and get this started. All right. I don't even want to, I'm all gentle with this thing. Ooh. I'm in a little sensitive. I don't want to break it. It's in this nice wrap. Okay. Don't mind all minutes. Before we turn this on, I got to let everybody know I did get the reMarkable Marker Plus. It comes with the eraser on the backside because obviously I don't want to hit the undo button. I'd like to just use the eraser and erase it just like I am writing notes. I also got a folio for it, and we'll open. I know I'm jumping around, and don't mind the piles. Nice little carry case, just because I want to protect my investment. All right, press and hold the power button to get started. This is the power button right here. Wow, that's like sleep right in there. Ooh. Oh my God, folks, look at this. That's pretty awesome. Okay, coming back down. Where's it? Okay, so there's my charging station. All right. Let's open up the pen while it's loading. By the way, if you read the back of the pen, built-in eraser designed to deliver paper-like friction and no charging or setup needing. That's a 100+1. If I forget to charge my iPad pencil, I'm SOL. Okay. Ooh. Ah, a lot of cardboard. Don't mind the mess. All right, express yourself. Write, sketch, or scribble below. And just like write on it. Okay. Continue. Your screen is unique. The Chemist displays. Oh, the Chemist display creates a true paper experience. Every now and then, your display will refresh itself. Give it a try and see for yourself. Okay, refresh. Did you see that? Yes, it blinked and flashed out. All right, let's start our setup. I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi. Sorry, you cannot see my password. Now, I wish I had some music with this. Okay. What do we got? All right. Enter. Let's see if I type my password correctly. It says connecting. I tell you, so far, I love the screen. I love the layout and how it just blends in. It looks and feels like paper. Okay, connected successfully. All right, set up your reMarkable cloud. The cloud service lets you sync, backup, share files via, and convert into text. All right, I don't think I have an account, so let's set up our account. Great. Go to reMarkable and create your account. Once you have done that one-time code, tap next. All right, folks, let's go ahead and share out my screen and see what it looks like. All right, so I'm at myreMarkable.com. I need to sign up for an account. All right. Please check your email to verify. Okay. So now I have a time code. I'm going to hit next and enter my one-time code as it's connecting. Let's do now. I'm going to take a sip of the coffee. Awesome. Now back to reMarkable. Okay, so now I can download the content, download to my iPhone. Let's do that. Get all set up. And yep. I'll let that. We'll click continue. Native language. Are you left? Oh, I'm left-handed. Oh, you got a +2 on this. You actually asked if I was left or right-handed. Nobody asked that question. I am a lefty. Restart your device. I'm going to let that restart. I'm going to open up. Why that's doing it. Oh. All right. Verifying for my phone is set up to my account, which means this will sync. All right. All right. Phone's all set up. Some quick cheats. We'll leave this off to the side. Main menu, filter your file, switch between the list and modes and access. All right. Oh, notes, PDF, ebooks, favorites, list. My Files let you easily find and access all the content stored on your reMarkable. Then you have a filter, obviously trash and settings. You'll find all your device information. You can adjust it, such as account information and Wi-Fi. Folders, notes, and more. All right, at the top menu, we have folders, notes, and quick sheets. All right, action bar. Long press on your files and folders, complete actions such as favorite, move, and rename. Press and hold the document and folder for 2 seconds to select. All right, let's see if this works. Does that work? Oh, I'm sorry, it doesn't do it now. Oops. All right, next. Physical button. We have a power button. Tap this button, puts it into sleep mode, and you'll save battery. All right, let's get started. Tap the notebook to open and start experimenting. Okay, this is a quick sheet. Navigate the document, swipe left to turn pages, zoom in and out, and up and down. Okay, next. All right, so one of the things I got to tell you that I noticed on the reMarkable 2 is that I really do not see fingerprints. I've touched it a couple of times. I'm also using the pen, and I don't see the traditional that you'd see on your iPad or your phone type of fingerprints. All right. Navigate, and then you have the page overview where you can see all the pages within it. You can probably delete and move around. Oh, what is this? Layers. Drawing and writing on different layers? All right. Gives you more control over your work. Edits you can make to one layer will not affect the others. Oh, it's like Photoshop on different layers. You can hide, show, reorder layers, merge layers, delete a layer, and then add a new one. Oh. Now, this is going to be interesting. I can find this useful for when you do maybe a drawing, right? And you add a layer over top of it. So I envision maybe a network or architectural flow. Here's the basic. Next layer, you turn it on. Here's the top layer. That's some of the stuff. I used to have a whiteboard behind me. That's some of the stuff that I find that nice. Typically, I do not even go through the notes and read some of this stuff, but I want to learn a little bit more, and I want to share with you some of the content for reMarkable 2. Present with Screenshare. What is that? Stream your live writing sketching by connecting to your computer. Oh, we're going to have to try this. Convert to text. Convert your notes to text and send by email. I think there's an updated version. There's a Chrome plugin, I heard, and I will be trying the Chrome plugin because that's really the benefits that I see. The reMarkable 2 is for me to type this and to be on the Chrome and actually copy it into the notes, or maybe they have a notebook feature that I'm able to use. Documents, edit and close. I want to really try that. How do you present with Screenshare? I know, I'm going to it. Connect your reMarkable to the same. Open the app on your desktop and then connect. Oh, I don't have the app. Let's get the app installed. All right, we're going to install it, and as soon as we're done being installed, we're going to test out this Screenshare. You know what? Another one-time code. Okay, I kind of like it. All right, no problem. I wonder what the settings are for the device to go to sleep to save battery. That would be interesting. I heard the pen, or saw that the pen actually connects on the side. Oh, nice. Look at that. All right. So it says you can see my screen. Just kidding. All right. Connect to app. Oh, wow. You can write really hard on it and it's fine. Let's come back to the desktop app and quit. And we're going to open it back up. updates automatically. Yeah, you can check updates. I mean, it should be the latest. Okay, they are on the same, so let's connect. Oh, look at that. Accept. Wait, can you see my screen? Oh, this is awesome. Hello. All right. Oh, you know what? I can put it down. I forgot. It's like yeah, I don't have to worry about touching it. Oh, look how much cleaner it comes out. Oh, wait. Oh, I hit the edge. All right, let's see if this eraser works. Oh, there's got to be. Oh, it did work. Oh, and then it goes away. That's so cool. Oh, look at the difference in. All right. All right, folks. As you see, what I did is I unboxed, I set up with ease the reMarkable 2, connected it to my desktop with a screen share that I'm able to do for those meetings, maybe a Zoom meeting. And I have all my accounts and my iPhone already set up and connected. Let's test one more thing out to see if these copy the data from here to my desktop to my iPhone. And then what we're going to do is I'll do a review in 29-ish days to let you know if I'm keeping the reMarkable 2 and all the features that I've learned and messed around with. All right, let's see one more thing. All right, I'm going to stop my screen share. Okay, screen share is no longer enabled. Okay, got it. And quick sheets, new page, landscape. Next. That's on there. I have my quick sheet. Back to single view. All right, back. Close it out. Oh, I closed it out. Look at that. Okay, so now it is on my desktop. All I did was close it out and it's synced. Let's open up the app on my phone. Swiping. Okay. And there it is. All right, folks. Hope you can see it. It just showed up within seconds after I closed it out and I opened up the app. All right, you saw it here, the reMarkable 2. I am testing now. Stay tuned for when I do a follow-up to see if we're keeping this. Until next time.